In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Discord user ID. Simply just open your Discord. You get this interface. Press on to profile. Press on settings. Scroll down. Showing you to advanced. Just open and make sure to disable developer mode. Okay, just go back and open any server. Like select this server and text message, then showing it to your ID. Press on and get free dot. Press on to copy user ID. Now successfully copy my user ID. Now copy this and now find it. Paste here. This is my Discord user ID. That's it.